Okay, so guys, now let's start the model evaluation part. So for this, I'm going to create a file inside research. Name it as 04 model evaluation.ipynb. Now let me copy the same code just to get back my project working directory. See, if you can only create one stage, rest of the stage actually you can easily create because you'll be getting the flow. And whenever you are creating the end-to-end projects, you only need to understand the flow. Okay, how you'll be writing the code. So that is what actually I wanted to show you here. So currently I'm inside my project working directory. Okay, so I don't need to update the configuration.yaml because for model evaluation I don't need the configuration. So what I will do, I'll directly write the entity. So this is going to be my entity, guys. You can see a path of the model, then training data path, then all parameters. Okay, from where you will get the parameters, from here you will get the parameter params.yaml, then params image size. Okay, then params batch size. So now I'll be creating the configuration manager. For this I need that. And see, the metrics actually I'll be getting, the evaluation metrics I'll be saving as a JSON. So that's why I'm importing the JSON from the utility. So this is going to be my configuration manager, guys. You can see I'm returning the model path. So the model is available inside artifact, inside training, and this is the model. So this is the model path, and this is my training data. And again, I'll be using Keras actually train test splitter. So it will prepare my training testing data, and that data actually I'll be testing. That data will be using for the evaluation purpose. Okay. Now all parameter and image size as batch size. Now let me return them. So now let me create the model evaluation stage. Okay, so here two things you have to import: the tensorflow, because you can see I'm using tensorflow, tensorflow Keras. And another is you have to load the model because we are doing inside Jupyter notebook. So that's why I'm directly loading the model. Okay, so whenever we'll be writing the modular coding, that time we'll be reading from the configuration. So now let me import all of them. Then I will load my model. Now this is the evaluation class I have written. First of all, it will generate my validation data for the model evaluation purpose. So it will automatically generate the validation. And this is the method actually it will load the model. The model actually, you can see we have trained. And this is the evaluation function. So it will load the model, it will generate the validation data, then it will perform the evaluation. Okay. Then I will be saving this object in a score variable, and this function will return the score. See, here I'm extracting the losses as well as the accuracy, and I'm saving inside a JSON file. It's a simple one only. So now let me execute. Now finally, I'm going to create the pipeline. That means step of the execution. First of all, get the configuration manager, passing it to the component, call the evaluation function, then call the save JSON function. First of all, I have to evaluate, then I have to save the JSON. So let me show you. So it is doing the evaluation. Now it has saved. So you will see one JSON file here. So score.json. Let me open that up. So guys, you can see this is the evaluation metrics I got. So the loss, you can see it's 1 point something, and the accuracy 69. Because we only trained one epoch, that's why, but you have to train multiple epoch, then you will see the improvement. So yes, that's how actually we can perform the model evaluation. Now let's try to convert this notebook as our modular coding.